The 3mm Kraft Blade is compatible with the Cameo 4 series of cutting machines. Use it for cutting chipboard, acetate, craft foam, leather, and select specialty materials. In Silhouette Studio, select your blade and material under the Send tab and find the required depth setting. Turn the numbered dial to adjust your blade to the correct setting. Pull out the lock lever and insert the 3mm Kraft blade into tool carriage 2. Secure the blade by pushing the locking mechanism back into place. Check out the video description for additional information and resources.